Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video lecture is based on the solution of old pharmacist exam paper. We solve RRB pharmacist 2019 question paper. Now let's start. Question number 1. Calcitonin is secreted by option A parathyroid, option B adrenals, option B thymus, option D thyroid. So correct answer is option D. Calcitonin is a hormone secreted by the thyroid gland that helps regulate calcium level in the body by reducing calcium absorption. And parathyroid secrete parathyroid hormone which increase calcium level. And thymus produce T cells, initiates full immunity. Next question. How much temperature should be maintained during moist heat sterilization? Option A 151 degree Celsius, option B 91 degree Celsius, option C 121 and option D 181. So correct answer is option C. Moist heat sterilization is usually carried out at 121 degree Celsius in an autoclave for 15 minutes under the 15 psi pressure to kill bacteria and virus. Next question. Satpura National Park is situated in which state? Option A Madhya Pradesh, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Maharashtra and option D Himachal Pradesh. So correct answer is option A Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Question number 4. Liquid membrane system are also called as option A ecosomes, option B nanocapsule, option C multiple emulsions and option D virosomes. Virosomes are virus-like particles used for vaccines and ecosomes are water-based nanocarriers used for drug delivery and nanocapsules are tiny capsules that enclose drug in the polymer cells. So correct answer is option C multiple emulsions. Multiple emulsions are also called liquid membrane system because they consist of two immiscible liquid like oil and water separate by a thin liquid membrane. Next question. Question number 5th. Sigma minus method is used to determine option A metabolic rate constant, option B absorption rate constant and option C excretion rate constant and option D elimination rate constant. So correct answer is option D. Sigma minus method is used in pharmacokinetic to determine the elimination rate constant of a drug from the body. Next question. Question number 6. Capsid is present in option A fungi, option B virus, option C bacteria, option D protozoa. So correct answer is virus. HIV, influenza and coronavirus all have capsids. They protect their genetic material. Next question. Question number 7th. Willingness to strive for the goals of a particular group is termed as option A halo effect, option B appraisal, option C moral, option D constitutions. So correct answer is option C. Next question. Estimation of serum creatinine is considered to be more reliable indicator for the evolution of option A option C lung function and option D gastric function. So correct answer is option B kidney function. Next question. Question number 10th. Which one of the following is the basic chemical test to identify anthracene glycosides in alloy? Option A modified Bontrager test and option B Killer-Killiani test, option C Bontrager test and option D legal test. So correct answer is option C Bontrager test. Bontrager test is used to detect anthracene glycosides in plant like aloe and senna. Next question. In a certain code language, if apple is coded as SDSHO, then how is doubt coded in that language? So correct answer is option D. GRXEW. Next question. For the preparation of cod liver oil emulsion, the ratio of oil, ratio of water, ratio of gums required is, so correct answer is option D. For preparing oil in water emulsion, the standard formula is oil 3 parts, water 2 parts and gums 1 part. This ensures proper stability of the emulsion. Next question. Hammer mill works on the principle of option A cutting, option B impact, option C compression and option D iterations. So correct answer is option B impact. Next question. Question number 16. Erection of rat tail is observed by after administration of option A non-opioid analgesic drug, option B COX-1 inhibitor, option C opioid analgesic drug and option D COX-2 inhibitor. So correct answer is option C opioid analgesic drug. Opioid analgesic drug like morphine. Morphine stimulates the central nervous system, which causes hyperexcitability in the rats. This leads to the characteristic tail erection response. Next question. Sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as option A caustic soda, option B Rossel salt, option C baking soda and option D Epsom salt. Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate MgSO4 is used for muscle relaxation and Rossel salt is potassium sodium tartrate used in some medicines and caustic soda sodium hydroxide is a strong base used in soap making. So correct answer is option C baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 is a baking soda commonly used in cooking and as a antacid. It helps in neutralizing acid in the stomach. Next question. Question number 18. The band of the colored component of a light beam is called its option A accommodations, option B range, option C spectrum and option D form. So correct answer is option C spectrum. When white light passes through a prism, is spilled into the spectrum of color. The spectrum color consists of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Next question. Number 19. Which of the following is a synthetic polymer? So caprolactone is a synthetic polymer used in the biodegradable plastic. Next question. And caprolactone is used in the surgical suture. Question number 20. By selling a CPU for rupees 6,785, a man makes a profit of 15%. At what price should he sell it to make a profit of 25%? So correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 21. Brownian motion is observed if the particle size is reduced to option A 6 micron, option B 8 micron, option C 2 micron and option D 4 micron. So correct answer is option C 2 microns. Brownian motion is the random movement of tiny particles in a liquid or gas due to the collision with molecules. This motion becomes visible when particle size is around 2 microns. Next question. Heterocyclic compound are option A acyclic compound, option B cyclic compound, option C open chain compound and option D non-cyclic compound. So correct answer is option B cyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound contain a ring structure with at least one carbon atom like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Example pyridine, furan and thiophene. And acyclic compound have a ring but only carbon atom. Example is cyclohexane. And open chain compound do not have ring. Example methanol and ethanol. And non-cyclic compound are simply state or branch chain. Next question. Under which schedule are good manufacturing practice of Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani drugs described? Option A Schedule Z, option B Schedule T, option C Schedule S, option D Schedule M. So correct answer is option B. Schedule T of the Drug and Cosmetic Act describe the good manufacturing practice GMP for Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani medicine. Next question. Question number 24. Dehydration of alcohol leads to the formation of option A alcohol, option B ether, option C ester, option D aldehyde. So correct answer is option B ether. When alcohol undergo dehydration, removal of water, it forms ether in the presence of acid. Ethanol plus H2SO4 heat gives diethyl ether plus H2SO4. Next question. Sound cannot travel in option A water, option B air, option C vacuum and option D steel. So correct answer is option C vacuum. Sound require a medium, solid, liquid, gas to travel. In vacuum, empty space like outer space, there are no particles to carry sounds. Next question. Question number 26. The reaction between an acid and a base to give an salt and water is known as a reaction. Option A nucleophilic, option B double decomposition, option C combustions, option D neutralizations. So correct answer is option D neutralization. Neutralization is a chemical reaction in which an acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Example HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. Next question. Question number 27. A document or a set of documents that serve as a basic of the batch documentation is called as option A master formula, option B calibration, option C master record and option D consignment. So correct answer is option C master record. Synonym for Indian scale is option A arrow poison, option B sea onion and option C liquorized root and option D yum. So correct answer is option B sea onion. Indian scale is a medicinal plant used for various therapeutic purposes, mainly in cardiac and diuretic treatment. It is also known as sea onion. Question number 29. Buffers are added in the sterilized product to maintain option A viscosity, option B isotonicity, option C sterility and option D pH. So correct answer is option D pH. Next question. Question number 30. Chapter 3rd of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945 give information about option A drug technical advisory board, option B manufacture, sales and distribution of drug and cosmetic, option C import of drug and cosmetic, option D provision relating to Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Question number 31. The CMC sections of investigational new drug applications should be bound in a CMC. Option A, black press board binder. Option B, red polyethylene binder. Option C, green press board binder. Option D, orange press board binder. So correct answer is option C, green press board binder. CMC, Chemistry, Manufacturing and Control sections of the investigational new drug application must be bound in green press board binder for easy identifications and standardizations. And black press board binder. This is not standard binder for the CMC sections. Next question. And when submitting an IND applications, the CMC section is always placed in a green binder as per FDA guideline. Next question is, in HPLC while supplying mobile phase by the mechanical pump, which device is required to smooth out of the pulse? Option A, injection. Option B, gauge. Option C, temperature. And option D, dumping. So correct answer is option D, dumping. The HPLC means high performance liquid chromatography. In HPLC, a mechanical pump generates pulsations while delivering the mobile phase. A dumping device is used to smooth out these pulses for a stable flow. And without dumping device, the mobile phase flow would be inconsistent, leading to poor separating in HPLC analysis. Next question is question number 33. The Chadda Cup is related to which games? Option A, cricket. Option B, badminton. Option C, football. Option D, chess. So correct answer is option B, badminton. Next question. Question number 34. BCG vaccines is bovine strain of BCG. Option A, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Option B, Salmonella typhi. Option C, hepatitis virus. And option D, parainfluenza virus. Parainfluenza virus causes respiratory infections, and hepatitis virus causes liver inflammation, and Salmonella typhi causes typhoid fever. Okay, and Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the correct answer. BCG vaccine is used to prevent tuberculosis. Next question. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. And option D, Samudragupta. So correct answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. Question number 36. Which among the following is also known as the Council of States? Option A, Corporation Assembly. Option B, Lok Sabha. Option C, Legislative Assembly. Option D, Rajya Sabha. So correct answer is option D, Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is also known as the Council of State in the India. It represents the state and union territories of India in Parliament. Next question is, in differential thermal analysis, a record is made of the option A, energy inputs. Option B, moisture difference. Option C, temperature difference. Option D, mass difference. So correct answer is option B, temperature difference. Next question. A test which measures the ability of the compound of determines the concentrations of sugar in the blood is option A, hypoglycemic test. Option B, glucose tolerance test. Option C, liver function test. Option D, hypoglycemic test. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Spreading coefficient is a factor to be considered in the preparations of option A, lotion. Option B, elixirs. Option C, ointments. And option D, solution. So correct answer is option A, lotion. Next question. The Chief Election Commissions of the India is appointed by option A, the Prime Minister. Option B, the Chief Justice of India. And option C, the President. And option D, the Vice President. So correct answer is option C, the President. The Chief Election Commissioner, CEC, of India is appointed by the President under the Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. Next question. Which type of major volatile compound is contained in cinnamon? Option A, ketone compound. Option B, phenolic compound. Option C, ester compound. Option D, aldehyde compound. So correct answer is option D, aldehyde compound. Next question. Electroreducible substance can be determined by option A, amperometry. Option B, potentiometry. Option C, calorimetry. Option D, conductometry. So correct answer is option A. Amperometry measures the electric current passing through a solution during a redox reaction. It is widely used to determine electroreducible substances such as oxygen and glucose in biological sample. And potentiometry used to measure voltage in solution, commonly used for pH determinations. And calorimetry measures the heat of chemical reaction, not suitable for the electroreducible substance. And conductometry determines electrical conductivity, mainly used for iron concentrations measurement. Next question. Question number 43. Conceptual skill deals with option A, people, option B, process, option C, things, option D, ideas. So correct answer is option D, ideas. Next question. Question number 44. Astrocytes are present in option A, blood cerebrospinal fluid barrier, option B, blood placental barrier, option C, blood brain barrier, option D, cell membrane barrier. So correct answer is option C, blood brain barrier. Astrocytes are the glial cells that form in the blood brain barrier, protecting the brain from the harmful substance. Next questions. What is the full form of CNG in the controlling vehicles air pollutions? Option A, combined natural gas. Option B, compressed natural gas. Option C, common natural gas. And option D, combined nitrogen gas. So correct answer is option D, compressed natural gas. CNG is an eco-friendly fuel that reduces air pollution compared to petrol and diesel. Next question. Who introduced the mutation theory? Option A, Camillo Golgi. Option B, Edward Jenner. Option C, von Baer. Option D, Hugo de Vries. So correct answer is option D, Hugo de Vries. And Camillo Golgi discovered the Golgi apparatus in the cell. And Edward Jenner developed the first smallpox vaccine. Okay. And von Baer knows for the embryology studies. Next question. Number 47. Absorptions of IR radiation by molecules causes change in option A, vibrational energy, option B, spin reversal of nuclei, option C, rotational energy, option D, electronic energy. So correct answer is option A, vibrational energy. Infrared radiation is absorbed by the molecules, causing vibrational in the chemical bond. This is the basis of the IR spectroscopy used for molecular identifications. Next question. Question number 48. An internal device which can be used to store information. Option A, floppy disk. Option B, CD. Option C, USB flash drive. Option C, hard drive. So correct answer is option D, hard drive. Hard drive is an internal storage device that stores the data in a computer. It is non-volatile memory, means data remains even when this computer is switched off. Next question. Find the next number in this series. 61, 73, 66, 78, 71, and this one is 83. So correct answer is 83. Next question. Aspirin should be used with cautions in option A, fever, option B, asthma, option C, headache, and option D, tachycardia. So correct answer is option B, asthma. Asthma can be trigger bronchospasm in some asthma patients leading to breathing difficulties. This condition is called aspirin-induced asthma. Next question. A lady stand on the road facing the east direction. She turned 40 degree in the clockwise direction and 72 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is she facing now? So correct answer is option A, northeast. Next question. Question number 52. Ligands are the constituents of option A, pomegranate, option B, lycopene, option C, soy, and option D, flaxseed. So correct answer is option D, flaxseed. Ligands are phytosterols, means plant-based estrogen-like compound found in the flax seeds. They have antioxidant property and helps in the hormones balance. Next question. Absorption of radiation can be measured by using option A, flame photometry, option B, voltammetry, option C, spectrometry, option D, polarimetry. So correct answer is option C, spectrophotometry. Spectrophotometry measures the absorption of light at different wavelength, helping in chemical analysis. Next question. Question number 54. Liquid oral preparations of which one or two large doses of about 50 ml are given in a single dose container is known as option A, linctus, option B, tinctures, option C, drafts, and option D, drops. So correct answer is option C, drafts. Examples are some antacids are and herbal medicines are available as drafts. Next question. Question number 55. Apparent bulk density is expressed in terms of. So correct answer is option C. Apparent bulk density is defined as the mass of powder per unit volume, grams per milliliter. It indicates how a powder packs under specific conditions. Next question. Which one of the following is not radiation obtained from the radioactive compound? Option A, beta, option B, epsilon, option C, gamma, option D, alpha. So correct answer is option B. Radioactive decay release alpha, beta, and gamma. Epsilon radiation does not exist in radioactive emissions. Next question. Smallpox vaccine is a option A, bacterial vaccine, option B, toxoid, option C, antiserum, and option D, viral vaccine. So correct answer is option D, viral vaccine. What compound is present in ashwagandha? Option B, steroidal lactone, option C, terpenoid glycosides, option D, terpenoid alkaloids. So correct answer is option B, steroidal lactones. And ashwagandha supplements are used to reduce stress and improve immunity. Next question. Antimony potassium tartrate is commonly known as option A, tartar emetic, option B, Epsom salt, option C, caustic soda, and option D, Rosselled salt. So correct answer is option A, tartar emetic. Antimony potassium tartrate, also called tartar emetic, used as an emetic, induced vomiting, and in some parasitic treatment. In this past, tartar emetic was used in the medicine, but now rarely used due to toxicity. And Rosselled salt, potassium sodium tartrate, used in food and medicine. Caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, a strong base, and Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, used as a laxative. Next question. Commonly used spice clove is obtained from option A, flowerwood, option B, rhizome, option C, root, option D, leaf. So correct answer is option A, flower bud. Next question. Indicate the problem in the dosage form when camphor and methanol are added together. Option A, effervescent. Option B, dilucent. Option C, hygroscopy. Option D, eutectic. So correct answer is option D. Next question. A train passes a station platform in 52 seconds in 44 seconds and man standing on the platform in the 38 seconds. If the speed of the train is 29 meter per second, then what is the length of the platform? So correct answer is option C. Next question. 1950 boys and 1300 girls are examined in a test. 42% of boys and 36% of girls pass the test. The percentage of the total who failed is correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 64. Angioedema is the adverse drug reaction affecting the option A gastrointestinal tract, option B liver, option C pancreas, and option D skin. So correct answer is option D, skin. Angioedema is a skin-related allergic reaction causing swelling the skin due to histamine release. It's often affect the face, lips, and throats. And AC inhibitor can causes angioedema as a side effect. Next question. As per Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945, Schedule A, which application form should be used to grant a license for manufacture of Ayurveda and Unani drugs? Option 24D, option B 24B, option C 24A, and option D 25C. So correct answer is option C 24A. Form 24A is required for the manufacturing of Ayurveda and Unani medicine. Drug and Cosmetic 1940 governs drug manufacturing regulations. Next question. Axis is a bone of option A skull, option B spinal cord, option C leg, option D forearms. So correct answer is option B spinal cord. Next question. The sum of kinetic and potential energy of an object is its total dash energy. Option A electrical, option B chemical, option C mechanical, option D thermal. So correct answer is option C mechanical. Mechanical energy is the total energy possessed of by an object due to its motion, kinetic energy, and position, potential energy. Next question. On dividing a number by 413, we get 58 as remainder. On dividing the same number by 59, what will be the remainder? So correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 69. Animal is a constituent of option A hair, option B teeth, option C nail, option D bones. So correct answer is option B teeth. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body and form in the outer covering of the teeth. And hair is made of the keratin. Okay, and nails are also made of the keratin, not for the animal. Okay, and bones contains calcium and collagens, no, but not the animal. So correct answer is option B, teeth. Next question. Question number 70. What is the SI unit of wavelength? Option A hertz, option B meter, option C decibels, option D second. So correct answer is option B, meter. And hertz is the unit of the frequency, not the wavelength. And decibels unit of the sound intensity. And second is the unit of the time. Next question. The transformations of the larva into an adult through drastic change is called option A metamorphosis, option B menopause, option C reverse osmosis, and option D budding. So correct answer is option A, metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a biological process in which an organism undergoes significant change in from larva to adult. Next question. Which one of the following is the statistical procedure to detect the differences existing in the between two or more samples? Option A arithmetic mean, option B chi-square test, option C standard error, and option D ANOVA. So correct answer is option D ANOVA. Next question. Any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological feature of air, land, and water is called option A pollutants, option B pollution, option C ecology, and option D ecosystem. So correct answer is option B pollution. Next question. Is option C 2:1. Water H2O consists of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. So ratio is 2:1. Next question. According to Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945, the insulin preparation should be stored at a temperature. Option A 9 to 25 degrees Celsius, option B below 1 degree Celsius, option C 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and option B D 25 degrees Celsius. So correct answer is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Next question. Type third of drug master file gives information about option A drug substance, option B personals, option C packaging material, option D excipients. So correct answer is option C packaging material. The drug master file is a document submitted to regulatory authorities provide confidential information about drug. Type third DMF contains detail about packaging material used for pharmaceutical product. Next question. Question number 77. Patna city is situated on the bank of which river? Option A Ganga, option B Mahanadi, option C Brahmaputra, option D Yamuna. So correct answer is option A Ganga. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It is situated on the bank of the Ganga river. Next question. Drugs which are having high solubility and low permeability are called as option A class 4th drug, option B class 1 drug, option C class 3rd drug, and option D class 2nd drug. So correct answer is option C class 3rd drug. According to the BCS biopharmaceutics classifications system, class 3rd drug have high solubility and low permeability. So correct answer is option C. Next question. The Indian Army constructed the longest suspension bridge called Maitri across which river? Option A Narmada, option B Indus, option C Brahmaputra, option D Ganga. So correct answer is option B. Next question. Question number 80. Lecithin is an example of option A phenolic type of antioxidant, option B quinoline type of antioxidant, option C organic acid, alcohol and ester, option D amine type of antioxidant. So correct answer is option D amine type of antioxidant. Lecithin is a natural antioxidant that belongs to the amine type. It is commonly found in soya beans and egg yolks. Find the similarity in the following: orange, peach, olive, and caramine. Option A All of them are names of season. Option B. All of them are fruits. Option C. All of them are colors. Option D. All of them are shades of the orange. So correct answer is option colors. Orange, peach, olive, caramels are all the name of colors. Orange is bright shade, peach is the lighter orange pink, and olive is the greenish shade, and caramel is the deep red. So correct answer is option C. Next question. What does WLAN stand for? Option A. Wireless Local Area Network. Option B. Wide Local Area Network. Option C. Wind, Light, Atmospheric Nature. And option D. Wireless Local Area Node. So correct answer is option A. Wireless Local Area Network. Next question. Which is the most abundant combustible natural gas? Option A propane, option B methane, option C ethane, option D butane. The correct answer is option B methane. Methane is CH4. It is the most abundant combustible natural gas found in the natural gas rivers and byproduct of organic decomposition. It is used as the fuel and the electricity productions. Next question. Question number 84. Which among the following is the largest freshwater lake in India? Option A. Dal Lake. Option B. Thol Lake. Option C. Puskar Lake. And option D. Wuller Lake. So correct answer is option D. Wuller Lake. Wuller Lake located in Jammu and Kashmir is the largest freshwater lake in India. Next question. The famous camel riding event in the part of the annual fair. Option A. Udaipur Mela. Option B. Thar Mela. Option C. Kumbh Mela. Option D. Puskar Mela. So correct answer is option D. Puskar Mela. Puskar Mela held in Rajasthan, India largest camel fair. Next question. What is the rate of change of position of an object with respect to a frame of reference, which is the function of the time called? Option A. Mechanics. Option B. Vector. Option C. Velocity. Option D. Magnitude. So correct answer is option C. Velocity. Velocity is the rate of the change of the position of an object with time and direction. It is vector quantity because it includes both speed and direction. Velocity formula is displacement by time. Next question. If Delhi is QR5UV, then Bombay is. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 89. Manju takes 16 days to complete a work. If she works with her friend Jenny, they complete it in 12 days. How many days will it take for Jenny to complete the work alone? So let's Jenny work rate by 1 by x, Manju works rate 1 by 16, and together they work rate 1 by 12. So 1 by 16 plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 12. Solving for the x, we get x is equal to 48 days. Next question. Find the interest on rupees 25,000 at 12% PA compound annually for 3 years. So compound interest formula: A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 N. P is equal to 25,000 and R is 12% or N is 3 years. 3. Solve this equation. 35 833.40. Compound interest is equal to A minus P 35,000. Next question. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 168 and 6 respectively. If one of the number is 24, find the other. Formula is LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. LCM is 168, HCF 6, first number is 24 and find the second number. Solve this equation, we will get answer 42. Next question. Sita said, Ram only brother is the father of my son father. How is Ram brother related to Sita's son? So correct answer is option B. Next question. Question number 94. What is a limerick? Option A type of limestone. Option B, a form of poetry, mostly in 5 lines. And option C, a type of theatre play. And option D, a type of word game. So correct answer is option B. Next question. '96. Andromeda is a option A galaxy neighboring the Milky Way. Option B planet. Option C name of the black hole. And option D comet. So correct answer is option A. Next question. Whose quote is in practice of the tolerance one enemy is the best teacher? Option A Gautam Buddha, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Barack Obama, and option D Dalai Lama. So correct answer is option D Dalai Lama. Next question. What is sigma? Option A goats, option B dreams, option C sleeps, option D colors. So correct answer is option B dreams.